Alright guys, so I'm going to switch up my hubcaps on the Caddy, and going to throw some Buick ones on there because I like the spokes, fins they call them for the Buicks. I'm getting some decals to put on top of the Buick logo, but just thought I'd make this short video for you guys. Basically, to take these things off, I'm just using a super long, probably doesn't even need to be this long, screwdriver, and literally just wedging it in between this and using some leverage, and you can see they start prying off. You can see the gap there. You just kind of work your way around. It's super easy, and eventually they'll just pop right off. You can see. There you go. You know what you do? Just literally pull it right off. Now, the hard part is getting the new one on. So I'm using a mallet, rag, and I know some people said to could easily park it against the wall and then push it with your feet into the clips into the wheels. I don't know if I want to go that route. Usually end up hurting myself that way. So what I'm going to do is the mallet method, which seemed to work for me. Takes a few trial and errors, but show you guys what it looks like after it's on.